I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do the Kiyora Jin Breakdance. First, understand that this move is a challenging power move, blending a handstand spin with intricate leg work. It demands strong foundational strength in your arms, shoulders, and core. We will break down each component, from your initial setup to the final execution, ensuring you build the necessary skills step by step. Get ready to elevate your breakdancing with this impressive technique. To begin the Kiyora Jin, establish a solid handstand. Place your hands firmly on the ground, about shoulder-width apart, with your fingers spread wide for stability. Engage your core muscles tightly, keeping your body in a straight line from your shoulders to your toes. Your head should be slightly tucked, allowing you to see your hands and maintain balance. This strong, stable foundation is absolutely crucial before initiating any spin or leg movement. Now, let's focus on the spin and leg work. Shift your body weight onto one hand, which will become your central pivot. Use your other hand to push off the ground, generating the initial rotational momentum for your spin. As you begin to rotate, extend one leg outwards, then bring the other leg around in a controlled, circular motion, creating a flare effect. Keep your core engaged throughout to maintain balance and power during the entire spin. To finish the Kiyora Jin, gradually slow your spin and bring your feet back down to the ground with control. Practice is key for mastering this move. Aim for consistent repetitions on a smooth surface to reduce friction and allow for easier rotation. Begin by focusing on smaller, controlled spins and gradually increase your speed and the extension of your legs as your confidence and strength grow. Remember, patience and persistence will lead to success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.